Welcome to a hidden coastal gem, just a short drive from Seoul, Gubongdo on Daebudo Island. Today, we embark on a tranquil journey along the beach fronting the picturesque Balida Café, where the sea breeze whispers tales of serenity and escape. While this video focuses on the peaceful stretch of beach in front of Balida Café, there's so much more to explore around Gubongdo and the rest of Daebudo. So if you ever visit, here's a quick travel guide to help you make the most of your trip. Start with the beach itself. It's calm, flat, and quiet. A perfect place for a mindful walk or simply listening to the waves. Right beside it, Balida Café offers a Bali-inspired escape with its oceanfront seating and relaxing vibe. Grab a drink, breathe in the sea air, and let time slow down. A short walk from here, you'll find the Gimihuri Arch Bridge. Its narrow, curved frame resembles an ant's waist. It's a favorite photo spot and offers a beautiful, elevated view of the shoreline. And if you're here in the late afternoon, don't miss the Sunset Observatory. Watching the sky change color from that quiet hilltop is truly unforgettable. For the adventurous, Course 6 of the Daebudo Saljal Trail winds through forests and along coastal paths near Gubongdo. It's a great way to experience the island's nature at your own pace. And just 20 minutes away, Bangamiori Port serves up some of the freshest seafood around: clams, grilled shellfish, even live crabs if you're feeling brave. A bit farther out, Tando Port offers a unique tidal flat experience and a lighthouse that becomes an island during high tide. It's one of those spots that feels like a secret, even though it's just across the water. Notice how the sunlight dances on the water's surface, creating a mesmerizing display of glistening patterns. It's moments like these that remind us of the simple joys found in nature's embrace. The gentle lull of the waves, the distant call of seagulls, and the soft rustle of the breeze through nearby grasses compose a symphony of tranquility, offering a perfect backdrop for relaxation. As we stroll along this stretch of sand, the rhythmic waves and expansive horizon invite a moment of reflection. The beach here is more than just a scenic spot. It's a canvas where nature paints daily masterpieces. When planning your visit, consider arriving during the golden hours, early morning or late afternoon, to experience the beach at its most enchanting. Comfortable footwear is recommended for leisurely walks, and don't forget your camera to capture the scenic vistas. And before you go, a few gentle reminders. Let's keep this place clean by taking your trash with you. Be cautious during high tide, especially on rocky areas. And most importantly, respect the peaceful atmosphere. This isn't a tourist hotspot. It's a quiet escape. Gubongdo may not be on every travel map, but sometimes the best places are the ones that whisper, not shout. Thanks for walking with me. I hope this journey inspires your next peaceful getaway. As the sun begins its descent and the light softens over the water, it's in these final moments that Gubongdo shows its true magic. There's no rush here, just the rhythm of the waves, the wind against your face, and the quiet thoughts you might have forgotten you had. I often think it's not the big landmarks that leave the strongest memories, but the little things, the shape of a seashell, the scent of salt in the air, the feeling of walking barefoot in cool sand. Gubongdo doesn't demand your attention. It invites you to simply be. In a world full of noise, this place reminds us of the beauty in silence. You won't find flashy entertainment or towering buildings here. Just space. Space to breathe, space to think, space to reconnect with nature, or maybe even with yourself. If you ever feel the need to get away, not far, but just far enough, come here. Don't come for the checklist or the travel blog. Come to sit, to wander, to get lost in your own thoughts. Gubongdo is the kind of place that gives more the less you expect. Some places speak loudly with crowds and colors, but others, like this one, speak softly through stillness. Gubongdo doesn't rush to impress. It just exists peacefully, patiently, waiting for someone to notice the beauty in its quiet rhythm. I've always believed there's a difference between seeing and feeling a place. And here, you feel it in your chest, in your breath, in the way your thoughts slow down. It's not about finding something to do. It's about giving yourself permission to do nothing for a while. If you stay long enough, you begin to notice the details, how the wind changes direction with the tide, how the sand changes color as the sun shifts across the sky. Even the air feels different, cleaner, calmer, like it's carrying stories from across the sea. Before we end this walk, I hope you've allowed yourself to slow down too, to breathe a little deeper, to let go of the noise, and to feel the kind of silence that doesn't ask for attention. It just gives you space to remember what matters. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful walk along Gubongdo's shoreline. May this journey inspire you to explore and cherish the serene beauty that lies just beyond the city's hustle. Until next time, safe travels and cherished memories.